Have you ever felt that chill, that sudden fear, when you hear about AI and automation taking over jobs? I know I did. It felt like the robots were coming, and I just froze. For many of us over 40, the idea of adapting to rapid technological change can be daunting, especially when it threatens our livelihood. But what if I told you that a simple shift in perspective, just 60 seconds of rethinking, could change everything? Welcome. I'm here to share my own journey from fear to empowerment and how you can navigate the age of AI, not as a victim, but as a master. The narrative around AI often paints a picture of an unstoppable force, replacing human workers and making our skills obsolete. It's easy to feel like we're standing on the tracks, watching the train of progress rush towards us, unsure of how to get out of the way. But let's reframe this. AI isn't just a threat, it's a powerful new tool, much like a carpenter's hammer. A hammer can build incredible things, or it can be misused. The power isn't in the hammer itself, but in the hand that wields it. And just like a carpenter learns to master their tools, we too can learn to master AI. Think about it. AI is already integrated into so many aspects of our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. From personalized recommendations on streaming services to the algorithms that optimize our commutes, AI is everywhere. The key is to move beyond passive consumption and start actively engaging with AI as a personal assistant, a creative partner, or a problem solver. Let's explore some practical ways you can start using AI today to enhance your work and secure your future. First, consider AI as your research assistant. Need to quickly understand a complex topic or summarize a lengthy document? AI tools can sift through vast amounts of information in seconds, providing you with concise, relevant insights. This frees up your time to focus on analysis, strategy, and applying that knowledge rather than just gathering it. Next, think of AI as your personal content creator, struggling with writer's block or need ideas for a presentation. AI can generate drafts, brainstorm ideas, or even help you craft compelling emails and reports. It's not about replacing your creativity, but augmenting it, giving you a powerful starting point or a fresh perspective. Consider AI as your skill-building coach. Want to learn a new language, master a software, or understand a complex concept? AI-powered learning platforms offer personalized lessons, instant feedback, and adaptive learning paths tailored to your pace. This makes continuous learning more accessible and efficient, ensuring you stay relevant in a rapidly evolving job market. The fear of robots taking over often stems from a misunderstanding of AI's role. It's not about AI doing everything for us, but about AI empowering us to do more, better, and faster. Just like the carpenter who uses power tools to build more efficiently, we can use AI to amplify our human capabilities. The 60 seconds that changed everything for me was realizing this simple truth. AI is a tool, and I am the craftsman. It's about taking control, experimenting, and integrating these powerful tools into your workflow. Start small. Pick one AI tool that addresses a specific pain point in your daily tasks and give it a try. You might be surprised at how quickly you can transform your productivity and confidence. So, are you ready to pick up your AI hammer and start building your future? If this video resonated with you and you're ready to embrace AI as your ally, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more practical tips and insights for thriving in the digital age. Share this video with anyone over 40 who might be feeling overwhelmed by AI. Let's empower each other. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future isn't something to fear, it's something we build, one intelligent tool at a time.